Hello everyone, welcome to TechSurf. Today, we'll see how to connect and configure a Xbee without going into much detail. So, let's get started. First of all, we are going to need a software called XCTU by Digi.com. It is a freeware with a simple GUI to configure RF devices like the Xbee. For downloading this software, check out the description box below. To download the software, click on the download button and then select your OS. Now, after downloading and installing the software, run the application. Now, plug in your RF device or Xbee and click on Add a Radio Module button in the top left corner of the window. After that, select the port on which Xbee is connected. Then, click on Finish. It will take the software around 5 seconds to connect with your device. Now, click on your device. This will open up its configuration menu. Now, enter the address of the device that you want to connect to in the destination address under the destination section. Be sure to put the upper 8 bytes of the address in DH and the lower 8 bytes in DL. To establish a successful connection, we have to provide the address of one device as the destination of other. For a Xbee network of 2 devices, we need a coordinator and an end device. So, we have to configure one of the Xbee as the coordinator and the other one as the end node. To do this, search for the parameter called CE, which means coordinator enable. We have to enable CE in one of the device and disable it in the other. Now, click on the right button to update the changes made in the configuration. With this, the configuration of the device is complete. To check whether the connection has been established or not, click on the console icon in the top right corner of the window. This will allow us to transmit and receive data directly. Now, click on Open button to establish connection. Write down the text that you need to transmit. Here, the data that I am transmitting is shown in blue and the received data is shown in red. If you are receiving the data correctly, this means that a secure link has been established between the two devices. To close the connection, click on the Close button. With this being said, we'll now end the tutorial. Feel free to ask any query in the comment section below. More videos like this are on the way, so make sure to click the subscribe button to stay updated. Also, show us your appreciation by hitting the like button and sharing the videos with your friends. Thanks for staying with us. Have a good day.